Hello everyone, welcome to Hodari Labs. Today we are going to talk about how Iran war can affect road construction projects and jobless too many workers in poor countries. Did you know the Iran war can affect road construction projects and jobless in poor countries or least developed countries? The war has caused decrease of about all materials related to construction like bitumen, cement, steel, etc. about materials. Developing countries or least developed countries suffer more because they depend on import and weak economies. Maybe each road construction project in roads are affected is decreased. Guys, what's wrong? Because about least developed countries is increased and many projects about road construction. Please guys, if you like this video, make subscribe, like and comment for about road construction and material testing. Thanks. Many developing countries depend on imports, so supply chains are disrupted. As road construction projects slows down, many workers lose their jobs. I think you know, road construction need more fuel. When the fuel price rise, construction costs also increase, usually in less developed countries.